Hello everyone, this is Mr. Nice Guy, and in this video you will learn how to find the volume of a hemisphere as well as a sphere. In front of you, you should be able to see a cylinder, and on its right is a hemisphere. A hemisphere is basically half a sphere. As you can see, two hemispheres will form a sphere, and a sphere is basically, a round ball. What is so special about this hemisphere and cylinder is the height of this cylinder is equals to the diameter of the hemisphere. So the height of this cylinder is basically 2 times the radius of the hemisphere, or 2r. If we compare their circular base area, they are also the same. What you should also take note is that the height of this cylinder is the same as its diameter. So let me set up the cylinder and the hemisphere. The volume of this hemisphere is related to the volume of this cylinder, so observe carefully how many times it will take the hemisphere to fill up the cylinder with water. One, two, and just nice 3. So what we can see is that the volume of 3 hemispheres is the same as the volume of one single cylinder that has the same base area as the hemisphere and a height which is equals to its diameter, or 2r. If you can recall, the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared, which is its base area times the height. The height in this case is 2r, so the volume of the cylinder, whereby its height is the same as its diameter, will be 2 pi cubed. The volume of this hemisphere will therefore be 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder, since we need 3 hemispheres to fill up the whole cylinder. Therefore, the formula for the volume of a hemisphere will be 1/3 times 2 pi r cubed. And we can simplify this into 2/3 pi r cubed. Finally, for the volume of a sphere, which we saw earlier, since it is just an addition of another hemisphere, its volume will just be 2 times that of a hemisphere. So it will be 2 times 2/3 pi r cubed, which we can simplify into 4/3 pi r cubed. Hooray!